So, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel at first and share my videos. So, we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. You can see the moon boys. They predict here parabolic that the price should go here to the upside, but in real, the prediction what they made was wrong. And this is exactly what I predict in my last video. I said the moon boys are wrong. The price will go here to the will go here to the downside, and you can see with your own eyes the prediction what I made was right. Yeah. In my channel, some of the moon boys write me and say your prediction is wrong, and so on and so on and so on. And look what happens now. Exactly my prediction is coming true. The price is going here to the downside. And the interesting thing here is, I wait for the analyze. You can see my last video was 7 days ago. I wait for this signal. This is for me. Uh, I know the signal. I wait for the signal, and now the signal is here. Yeah. And the interesting thing here is, if you look here, this is our positive trend line, and we broke the positive trend line clear to the downside. Yeah. And that's the dangerous because we can now expect, let me look here what structure we can expect here. The moon boys predict here, again, I give you this information again to you. The moon boys predict here a parabolic. Yeah, they said, okay, the price will go here to the upside. And now you can see it's a shame, yeah, for these people. This is not a parabolic. This is not a parabolic. So they lied the people because they have no clue. So this is another formation and pattern. This is our positive trend line, and we broke this clear to the downside. So, and let me look here more inside to give you a exactly prediction. So let me look here first to this, and to this. Okay, we have to start from this point here, yeah, and look at this structure exactly. Um, if you look here to this structure, this is in real uptrend, but the whales manipulate this to the downside. So that what you see here is the real uptrend, but due to the manipulation, yeah, um, many of the people cannot see this. Yeah, let me look here. We have to look zoom in again a little bit, zoom in. Now we're staying here at these levels. So if I look to this, then I would say we have not so much energy. What possible is we could make a retest of this level, and we are landing at 24,600. Some of the moon boys write me and say you are wrong. So if the price is going to this, but in real, we make a retest of this positive trend line. Yeah. So they have, like the moon boys, no clue. And I think we will see something like that. Maybe 20th of August, and at 5 6 uh, September is the Fed meeting. Yeah. So I think, yeah, what possibility we have to fill this gap here. So nonsense formations like this, and then this. What I think we could get here, left shoulder head and right shoulder formation inverse is a very aggressive negative formation. Yeah. If this is coming true, then we are landing here at 18,000. But if I look here to the structure, even this here, for this, we have no place. That means the formation is so bad here so that we can expect here, yeah, if you look here, we could make once this, yeah, and then we are landing here to the downside. Now you can see this is a good place. This is a positive structure, but the whales manipulate this to the downside. So in real, this is our uptrend. So this uptrend, they can stretch this one time here to the upside. That means we can make the upside like this, or we can make the upside like this. So one of them is that, yeah. The whales can stretch. We make this in green. So the whales can make this in green, yeah, to touch here 25,000 and so on, short to the upside, or they can stretch this a little bit to 5th of 6th of September. Then we are staying here. The benefit is we get here a really bad structure, a really bad pattern, yeah. So that we're landing here at these levels. So the story behind of this is that we are, no matter if we make this or this, we have to go to these levels here. That means we have to come down to these levels, 17,600, and make here the last retest. And you can see here a very interesting constellation. You can see here inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And then if this play out, then we are landing at these levels here. In my eyes, 13,000 or down. Let's look to gold. Did you understand that the gold price and the Bitcoin price, I will not say the same, but has the similar structure. Yeah? If you look here to this formation, then you can recognize a very interesting thing. The gold price is manipulated since 2018. Yeah? Since here, the gold price, what you see is manipulated. So in real, this red here is a positive trend line, but the whales, people who have big money, also manipulate the gold price. Yeah, and that what you see here is a very bad structure. Inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and the big crash is coming. Also for gold. Yeah, we will landing in gold. We will landing here at these levels, 800, 900 levels. Why? We have to come down like this, yeah, to start here really big move to the upside, yeah, like this. It's a typical left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and if this play out, very danger. You can see this fall drop in the history. We have such situation here, a little bit small, but I hope you understand this here. It's the same situation in the history, 2008. The price was here $1,000, and this is going to 674. Nearly 50% is coming down to this place, and then the bull run starts. Yeah, keep this in your mind, please. Fall, bull run. So we're going here to this, a little bit big, fall, bull run. Yeah. So now we're looking to BTC back. So same situation here, fall to these levels or more. Yeah, I think we will really go here to the downside to these levels, and then the bull run starts. Yeah, it's a typical, but the bull run is not a small bull run, we have to look here. The Bitcoin price will go here to 400,000. So this is a typical left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. I see something like that. This is going really hard to the upside if it is not manipulated.